Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to dress up and how to elevate your style before 2025. I'm going to start this series where I teach you everything that I know to have a glow up basically, and if you need proof that I am quite experienced in that, I'll just put some pictures and you can judge for yourself, like, did I actually glow up? And if you guys know me, you know that I prone glowing up from within and then outside, but I guess I would start with the more superficial one. That means like your style, how you carry yourself, and yeah, we can have a little chat and I'll help you glow up before 2025. Before that, let me just take a sip of my pumpkin spice latte. It's actually just a latte and I added some pumpkin spice syrup. I'm trying to make the most out of the syrup before the season ends, so we're gonna move step by step because this is the method that I like the most when it comes to teaching someone something. I like to go step by step because I'm a step by step kind of person. So step one is defining your aesthetic. I know that just putting yourself in a box is so harmful for your style because I've been there. I used to be so into kawaii fashion and I was just like identifying myself to this person who wore kawaii fashion, and then when the season changed and I wanted to experience with maybe more cottagecore, things like that, I had like an actual existential crisis. So I highly recommend you pick 3 main aesthetics that you think you are. That's really easy for people who have been doing maybe content creation, or you've been dressing up for a moment now, you've been really into fashion. But for those who are just starting, because this is also like beginner friendly, so if you're just starting and you don't really have a style, I highly recommend looking at the people you look up to when it comes to fashion. Like if you see someone and their outfit is really appealing to you, maybe go research that. I find it helpful to also scroll through Pinterest and try to find the main theme of all the pictures that are interesting to you. Something else I like to do if you really don't know like what aesthetics are, the content we have now, I feel like it's pretty easy to have at least the main aesthetics pinned down. But if you don't, I used to do this before. I would go to Instagram posts and like if an outfit was very appealing to me, I went to the description of that post and I read all the tags of that post, and usually people put their aesthetic in the tags, so I was able to learn more about aesthetic names and like all the genre. And for me, it's basically soft girl, cottagecore, and a little bit of shoujo girl, because I feel like my kawaii era is still kind of sticking to me, but less in a kawaii theme, you know, like less colorful, like less rainbow and frills and bows everywhere, but more subtle. So I feel like soft girl, shoujo girl is kind of like mixing, and cottagecore because I love just having cute little dresses to frolic around the garden. From that point, you can now go to Pinterest and research the main pieces that these aesthetic have. So for example, if you're I just hit myself out. So if you go to Pinterest and type cottagecore outfits and you see that people are wearing a lot of dresses, like pay attention to the patterns, the style, the like how are the sleeves, things like that. It's really helpful because that way you don't have to go and buy the exact same pieces that you see on Pinterest. You can literally just stroll around, and if you find a piece that reminds you of the cottagecore feel, is like instantly like, okay, I know that this piece is within my aesthetic scope. Okay, so now you know what is your aesthetic and you know what kind of pieces you have to look for. So when you go shopping, try to be mindful of that. Okay, number 2 is finding the accessories that match this aesthetic. So it really depends because the accessories are a large scope. We have jewelry, we have like hair accessories, we have other kind of accessories like bags and stuff, and we have glasses. I was so afraid to change the glasses shape. I used to always have one type of glasses shape and I would stick to it, and I felt like it was kind of dull, and it was kind of I was kind of like hiding my glasses when I was supposed to actually wear them as an accessory. And I feel like we need to stop hiding glasses, you know what I mean? Like every time when I see in an anime or in a show when the girl has like a major glow up, they remove her glasses, and I'm like, why? Like, I did have a mini glow up just from the glasses. It was crazy. Talking about glasses, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Vooglam. Vooglam is an affordable eyewear brand that sells not your typical glasses, like boring glasses. They have so many choices and they are so fashionable. They can actually be a part of your outfit and make it stand out. It can be like the main piece of your outfit. Let me just show you some of the glasses they sent me. Okay, so these are the first ones. I absolutely love them because obviously you guys know heart-shaped glasses. And also these, I've never seen glasses like this. They have this kind of like checkered kind of print here, and it sits perfectly on my face, which I love that. So comfortable. I'm obsessed. These, I feel like I could wear them with an outfit that is a little bit more out there, you know, something a little bit weird, or maybe something a little bit grungy. Okay, the second ones have to be my favorite. First of all, the brown color is a little bit softer on my face. I have an actual oval face, so here it's a little, you know, narrow. So having something that, you know, pulls a little bit this way is really helpful for the symmetry of your face. These are giving me a feel of like corporate girl, which you guys, I love it. Okay, these are kind of like the same vibe, I feel like, giving kind of like office. So these are like black frames, but they don't do the whole frame, which is actually really good because I feel like it opens your eyes a little bit more. It's a little bit more elegant, and I can definitely see these glasses with something a little bit more elegant. Let's say you're going out for the night, you're going on a dinner, but it's like a little bit more sophisticated and you want to look, you know, slick and with your little black dress. Okay, these are actually so cute and they remind me of, you know, this trend of like whole transparent big glasses. So these are completely transparent and they have a little gold touch here, which is so cute. I feel like transparent with gold looks even better. Kind of like gamer girl. Also, yeah, I can see like a gamer girl kind of aesthetic with this, and yeah, they're really cute. Again, they sit very nicely. They're so light, it's crazy, you guys. And the fact that the shape is kind of like cat's eye, it makes my face look more symmetric. It's crazy. Okay, finally these, you guys. Okay, these are giving bougie, they are giving rich, they are giving 𝒸𝓃𝓁. Tell me you got the reference. 𝒸𝓃𝓁 is a YouTuber. I love her. She has like this very elegant and rich vibe to her outfit. I guess like for an outfit that's very out there, if I ever dare to do this. They have, I don't know if you can see, but it has like the frame has bedazzles. At the same time, it's giving like confidence, you know. Also, the shape is so different and so out there. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like, you know that not everybody has that, and this is something that makes you stand out more. And if you're going for a style that is more out there, and it can work for any style, it doesn't have to be that rich, elegant kind of style. Wearing an outfit that is a little bit out there but you need a little bit more of a statement to your outfit, I feel like these would be perfect. So yeah, that was everything. You can find the link to Vooglam in my description, and also you can use my code DOE15 for 15% off your order. I highly recommend because they are so good quality and they have so many different frames that can suit your aesthetic and your style. So thank you again to Vooglam for sponsoring this video and supporting the channel, and let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, something else you can do to elevate your accessory game is to invest in good jewelry. It changed my life ever since since I started wearing jewelry that were maybe a little bit more expensive, but at least I know that they will last for a long time. I won't have to throw them away after a few use. I highly recommend getting yourself some statement jewelry that really feels like you. You don't have to go ahead and copy like everyone who's wearing the jewelry on your For You page, or pins that you have saved and you see that that girl is wearing these kind of jewelries. Like, you don't have to have the same jewelry than everyone else. I know, for example, I have never been interested in very bulky necklaces or bracelets. I've always been someone who likes very thin jewelry, except for like earrings, which lately I've been loving the hoops like this. Another tip for you: start stacking your jewelries. Your outfit is complete when you have a set of jewelries, like you have your earrings, you have a few necklaces, a few rings, a few bracelets. Okay, next is finding your signature accessory. I used to have beret as a signature accessory. Like, if people saw a beret or someone with a beret, they knew that it was like very me, you know. It was kind of like the beret girl. I just realized I'm still wearing the glasses. You know what? Let's keep wearing them until the end of the video because I actually really love them. My signature now is more like my glasses and my hoops, also ribbons. So my go-to thing, you know, that we know that it's me, is having my glasses with my hoops and having my hair up, like half up, half down like this, with a ribbon or like a bow or something, you know. It could be also like bags, if you have like a signature bag accessory. Like, for example, maybe you wear a lot of tote bags, maybe you wear cross bags, and as soon as you start consistently wearing them, it becomes a signature accessory that people would think about you when they see it. So if you're on a budget, it's really easy to just DIY some accessories and it will make them more unique. I started wearing, you know, the like ribbon around my neck as a choker necklace kind of thingy. There's so many ways to DIY your accessories and it makes it even more unique, and we can see your creativity through your pieces. Jumping to the next chapter, which is layering, I'm going to teach you the art of layering your outfits. I actually learned that from watching lots and lots of fashion YouTube videos, and I'm going to tell you everything I know now. So there are different steps and different let's say levels of layering. You have the easiest ones, which are like, for example, just throwing a cardigan on top of a normal top, having maybe a blazer. But there are layerings that are a little bit more complex, and if you don't really know how to do it, it can look awkward. And that might also be why, if you're trying to elevate your style and do something different, so you start layering pieces and it looks awkward, it's because you just don't know how to do it, not because the layering is not for you and you have to stick to only wearing basic top and bottoms. Like, so yeah, let me just jump right there and teach you how to layer with easy steps and also for more intermediate. Okay, so let's start with the easiest way to layer an outfit, which is using cardigan. So basically you wear any type of shirt or top that is kind of basic, you don't want to overdo it, and put on a statement cardigan. Now, if you want to elevate this type of outfit, I highly recommend trying the cropped cardigans. Yes, they are not as warm as an actual cardigan because they are obviously cropped. Now, if you want to take it a step further, replace your pair of jeans with a maxi skirt. You can also add some leg warmers. I love the leg warmers with a maxi skirt. Now, moving to vest, this is also very easy. If you can just have a simple blank shirt underneath and put on any kind of vest you have. I love this one because it has again some cute details that make the outfit a little bit more elevated instead of just a plain vest, you know. Now, on the riskier side, you can try to add a color to the shirt you're putting underneath the vest. Just make sure that this color doesn't clash with the vest and that it has the same color as at least one detail. For these type of outfits, remember to always accessorize, because if you're going bold, you might as well go fully on, because if you hold back on the accessories and on the boldness of the outfit, it will look awkward because you tried halfway but it's not completed, so it just looks like you played with your outfits this morning and just threw anything together, but that you don't really have a sense of style. Now, if you only have simple vests and you don't have a vest that stands out, you can make the shirt underneath stand out more. So maybe wear a shirt, or like I am wearing this cardigan, this very frilly light cardigan. Now, instead of wearing a plain turtleneck with a pair of jeans and just, you know, call it a day, I highly recommend pulling your baby doll t-shirts from summer and layering them on top. I promise it gives it this very creative, artsy vibe, and it's so much better than just having a plain turtleneck. And again, don't forget to accessorize these type of outfits because it makes all the difference. And yeah, that's basically the basics you need to start layering your outfits and make them more interesting. And the final tip I have for you today in order to elevate your style in 2025 is to wear confidence. I promise you guys, like, without confidence, no amount of clothes, no amount of expensive clothes or expensive jewelry or expensive accessories will make you stand out. Because if you're wearing something like out there but you're all like this, forming a bowl, it won't look the way you want it to look. Confidence can make an outfit. So many people wear outfits that, like, when you see them and try to recreate them, they are hideous, they're not good, they're awful, they feel like a big mess, but they wear them with confidence, and for some reason it's so fashionable and everyone's obsessed with that, and it's like so out there and so unique. Just do confidence, you guys. Even if you don't feel confident, which I know, and I'll probably make another video talking about confidence when it comes to your fashion style and wearing what you like outside. It's really hard to be confident. Try to fake it until you make it. I promise, if you fake confidence, you'll be comfortable with the feeling of confidence and it'll be second nature to you. Anyway, so that's all I have for you today. I really hope it was helpful, and I'm so ready to elevate my style and just be more confident in wearing something that is different, that stands out, and just be, you know, creative through my fashion. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end, and thank you again to the sponsor of this video, which is Vooglam. Don't forget to check the description for the link and for the promo code, and I'll see you all next week. Please take care. Bye.